In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira for full project management. To get started, open Jira and look over to the Spaces area in the sidebar. From there, click the plus icon. This is where you begin creating something new, and it's the entry point for setting up a project management workspace that you can build on. If you're new to Jira, this area can feel a little busy at first, but the plus icon is the key place to start when you want to create a new setup. Once that menu opens, click on Product Management. This option is designed to help you organize work at a higher level, making it useful for full project management rather than just tracking a few isolated tasks. Choosing the right project type at the beginning matters because it gives you a structure that's already aligned with planning, collaboration, and ongoing work management. After that, select a template. Jira provides templates so you don't have to build everything from scratch. This is helpful because a template gives you a ready-made framework with layouts, fields, and workflows that are already intended for a specific use case. When selecting one, just focus on choosing the template that best matches the kind of project management process you want to run. Next, click on Try this template. This tells Jira to start setting up that template for you. Think of this as applying the framework to your workspace so you can begin customizing it. It saves time and gives you a practical starting point instead of forcing you to manually create every section yourself. At this stage, wait for the template to load. Depending on your connection and the size of the setup, this may take a few moments. It's important to give Jira time to finish loading everything properly before moving on. If the screen changes or refreshes slightly, that's normal while the template is being prepared. When the setup is ready, click on Get Started. This takes you into the newly created project area and lets you begin work inside the template. It's essentially the point where setup ends and hands-on project management begins. From there, you can add to the template or edit it as needed. This is where the system becomes useful for your specific workflow. You can adjust the template so it reflects your team's process, project structure, and planning needs. The main idea is to use the template as a foundation, then shape it around the way you actually manage work. And that's how to start using Jira for full project management by creating a product management workspace from a template and customizing it for your needs.